Have you ever crossed a bridge that feels alive? Nestled in the heart of Thailand, the bamboo bridge of Huai Mae Kamin is not your average structure. Built entirely from locally sourced bamboo, this intricate bridge weaves seamlessly through lush greenery and is a testament to sustainable engineering. But what makes it truly remarkable is its ability to endure the torrential monsoon rains, bending yet never breaking. Crafted by local artisans using techniques passed down for generations, this living bridge embodies the harmony between nature and human innovation. As the sun sets, the bridge illuminates, revealing a breathtaking spectacle that captivates every visitor.